Hello, my name's Sarah. I'm a sister in theatres at Rochdale Infirmary. I'm here just to provide you with some meditation and breathing techniques. The following are guided meditations, and they'll cover a range of techniques including a basic breathing meditation and a little something to help you sleep. Please remember, like anything, meditation is a practice. You need to find time for yourself to practice and don't expect too much the first few times. You must keep an open mind. The first exercise we'll do is a beginner's guide to meditation. This is a basic form of meditation where the primary focus is to become aware of our breathing. We learn to observe our thoughts without dwelling on them or resisting them. The goal of this exercise is calmness and acceptance of the present moment. Make sure you sat comfortably in a chair or on the floor and keep your back straight without arching. For the moment, keep your eyes open and direct your attention to your breathing. Observe the sensation as you inhale deeply in through your nose and exhale out through your nose or mouth. Notice how your lungs fill with air on your inhale and how your shoulders relax on your exhale. We'll try this for 30 seconds just to get used to the breathing technique. On your next exhale, close your eyes. Take a moment to notice any smells or any sounds, and then notice the feel of your weight on the chair or on the floor. Become aware of your feet on the floor or the feeling of your knees against the chair. Again, we'll just go through this for the next 30 seconds, focusing on your breathing as well. Bring your focus to your natural breathing pattern. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. Place your hands gently on your stomach and feel the rise and fall of your abdomen. We will practice this for 30 seconds. Your mind will begin to wander, and this will happen frequently at first. Acknowledge those thoughts without judgment and let them go. For the next moment, for the next minute, bring your attention back to the breath. Return your focus back to the breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. Start to bring yourself back to your surroundings, noticing any sounds, smells, or any emotions that may be underlying. Again, notice the contact points of your body on the chair as you gently open your eyes. Just sit for a moment and see how you feel. Repeat this exercise for as long as you need to, until you feel you have benefited. Thank you.